फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान ही डेंजरस ट्री जाल्यार म्युनिसिपालिटीच्यान ती झाड कट करूं येता. पूण केन्ना केन्ना कशें आसता म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन फंड नासतात. सो तुमी डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंटान कितें फंड दितात? हो इतलो विशू आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसतना व्हाय डोंट यू इनक्रीज त्यांची म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन चड फंड दिया. फक्त झाडां कटिंगाक दिया. तुम्ही यू टेक द बिल फ्रॉम म्युनिसिपालिटी.
50,000 for the municipality and 25,000 for the panchayats is really very, very less.
मान्य मंत्र्यांक जो 50,000 रुपया जो फंड दिता तो खरोच इनसफिशियंट आहा. तुम्ही हो फंड वाडोवंक शकता काय ना? कित्याक डिझास्टर जाणून बुजून येना स्पीकर सर. तेन्ना हांव मागता सरकारा कडेन जो फंड तुम्ही दितात तो व्हेरी नेग्लिजिबल आसा. म्हाका काल एक झाड पडलें ते एकूच झाड तेणे कट करपाक 28,000 रुपया सांगले. एकूच झाड कशें मॅनेज करपाचें?
As far as disaster management is concerned, myself 50,000 rupees is given to each municipalities for tree cutting. हे कितें पयशे दिता ते पयले municipality. It is basically to cut the trees. Okay, only support is being given for the monsoon. Now, after that, the SDM has got a provision of 5 lakhs rupees. Suppose if that money becomes less as far as the municipalities are concerned, they can approach basically the SDM for more money. So that will be and as far as the damages and all are concerned, this assessment basically is done by Talati, creates a report. Then PWD engineer basically comes and does the assessment of this thing. PWD inspects and submits the estimates of the area which has been damaged, and compensation is decided under RF norms.